What's up guys and welcome back to another video. I'm 7beats and today I'm going to show you how to create a really awesome guitar afrobeat in FL Studio. So let's get right into it. So for this emotional beat I'm going to use a lower BPM. So I'm going to start off with 105 BPM. I'm going to start off with Purity. And I'm going to use this jazz clean preset to create a chord progression. And I'm just going to create a random melody from scratch. I'm gonna add this F sharp in between. Really fire. And I think this will be the final chord progression. And for sure, this is a really emotional melody. And I'm going to layer this one with another element, and I'm using the Whirly V2. And I'm just going to copy the original chord progression to this one. And I'm using this power curly preset. Really fire. And I'm going to add arcade. So I'm going to add a saxophone, which is something which I think is really awesome when adding to those beats. So I'm using this Cool Cat sound bank. And we have to set the key in arcade. So this is our root note. So I'm going to use F sharp and select F sharp. I'm going to select a random one. I really like this one. So I'm going to link those elements to the mixer and add some more reverb to the sound from arcade. So I'm going to use Fruity Reverb 2. Add some decay. I'm going to reduce the size and cut out the low frequencies around 1500 Hertz. Alright, now I'm going to add the guitar melody. So I'm going to add contact and I'm going to use the Electric Sunburst Deluxe melody. Could take a while. I'm selecting this prime time open. Picking another preset, this clean. Really fire. So I'm selecting 1/4 step. So I'm going to create this melody and start off with this D, this one. And then just duplicate this one. That's fire. And then I'm going to turn this one up. And also make an adjustment to this part. That's really fire. So right now the melody sounds like this. So I've played around with the melody for a while and made some adjustment to the velocity. So I've added some more short notes like this. So right now it sounds like this. Really fire. So I'm gonna duplicate this contact and I'm going to use this prime time, this one, and I'm gonna start off with the root note. Like this one. Copy this one. I'm gonna use this B. Really fire. And just use this F sharp. Reduce the volume a little bit. And then I'm gonna add something like a chord. So I'm going to use expand 2. So I'm using this preset. I'm copy these notes into the preset, this one, like this. Make the note shorter. And I'm gonna solo this one and the chords. I'm gonna turn this one up 1 octave. And I'm going to select 1/3 notes. So I've made the notes a little bit shorter, and right now it sounds like this. So I'm gonna link those elements to the mixer. For this new guitar sound, I'm cutting out all the high frequencies. So I'm going to use this Pro Q3. I'm going to use this high cut filter. And I'm gonna add some more reverb. So I'm using this Fruity Reverb 2. I'm cutting out the low frequencies. And for this guitar, I'm going to add some effects. So I'm going to use an EQ and reduce some of the mid frequencies. I'm going to use an RC20 and just use a stock preset. Just fire, always fire. And then I'm going to use this Valhalla Vintage Verb. Remove the pre-delay. Cut out the low frequencies. Add some more high to the reverb. And I'm going to use this chamber. And I'm also going to cut out the low frequencies from the whirly. Second guitar, I'm also going to use an EQ. I'll remove some or just reduce some of the high frequencies. Remove this peak using a bell. I'm going to add some delay to this one, so I'm going to use the Fruity Delay 2. Add a little bit of cutoff or reduce. So I'm going to solo this one. Just add this slightly in the background. Really fire. And right now all the elements together sound like this. Right now there's way too much going on, but you can use all these elements to create an arrangement, which will be really interesting. So right now I'm going to add a simple drum pattern. So I'm going to use my African sample pack volume 1. I'm going to select the kick. So I'm using this one and normalize it. And I'm going to select the percussion, this wood, random wood. This one. Turning up the volume. And just create a simple pattern like this. And I'm going to add the kick pattern. And this will be a really simple full bar pattern. So I'm going to add some more elements. So I'm using this rim shot. Just copy this one to this one. And I'm going to select some toms. So selected this bongo, this one, and this one. I'm going to start off with this one first. And just duplicate this pattern into this one. Add another element. So found this one. I'm just going to copy this one again. And right now link all those elements to the mixer like this. I will now add some more swing, so I'm going to add around 20% of swing. And just really add some more bounce to the beat. So right now I'm going to create a really simple arrangement. So I've quickly created a simple arrangement and added a drum roll and added a simple bass line. So make sure to download this free FLP and stems. This will be available in the description because I'm doing a contest and I'm giving away my African Future Total Bundle sample pack. And you can win this by finishing this beat. So make sure to download the stems. Everything is linked in the description. And I hope you guys enjoy the beat. Guitar melody, and while I'm participating in the contest, do whatever you want with other melodies. And that's basically it. So make sure to send me your final result this week, and I hope you guys enjoy creating your beat using those elements. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to download the free FLP, the link is in the description. Also make sure to let me know in the comments what you want to see in one of the next tutorials, and see you guys in one of my next videos.